YouTube, how you going? Just thought I'd turn the camera on and see how it went. I'm taking a leaf out of Progress Piper mix book, and I'm so out of practice doing this sort of stuff now, and yeah, it is what it is. Housekeeping, Filravara Lavat, and some Esoterica Dunbar, gifted to me by Ian Dad. Cheers, Roberto. Tampa from Portsmouth Piper. It's a buttons for your britches Tampa. I love this Tampa. Like I said, I'm really out of practice. This is attempt number 3, because I get 30 seconds into it and go, screw it, damn it, messed up. Anyway, so we get the main thing out of the way. I got a box from Boynton Beach, from My Potpourri delivery services. So I'll hack into this while I'm talking. So not a heck of a lot going on around here at the moment, to be honest with you. I'm on the countdown to Vegas, which is about, as I record it, I think it's about 24 days, I believe, until takeoff. So yeah, if you haven't worked it out, coming over for the Vegas pipe show, which I'm really looking forward to. That's going to be a heck of a lot of fun. So I'll be catching up with a bunch of you there. And if you see me, come and say hello. If I forget your name, I'm sorry. My memory is shit, and that's the way it goes. So I'll tell you what, these free boxes you guys get from USPS, they seal well. I've had a bunch of these over the years, and yeah, it still blows my mind that they seal up so well. So yeah, Vegas. Come and say hello. Don't be a stranger. Shake a hand, and all that fun stuff. I am taking, if you haven't caught my last video, which was ages ago, I am taking some backy flaps to sell. If you don't know what a backy flap is, that is a backy flap. That one happens to be made out of jacaranda. That's the latest one I've done. Just holds a little bit of tobacco. Put that in your pocket. Happy days. Do your deal. What do we have here? Thank you for your Google review from Boca to Boynton Potpourris. The lengths we have to go to in order to send a little bit of tobacco. Unbelievable. Holy crap, Charlie. Now this is how you know you got a mate, and this is dedication. Look at this, we got sealed Mylar bags with little stickers on them. Isn't that just brilliant? Now I know what he said. One of them's Rougarou, and the other one, holy crap, Rhythm and Blues, which I think are Watch City blends, if I'm not mistaken. So that's just good. That's hilarious. That's how you send tobacco, people. To anywhere in the world, whether it's 5 minutes down the road or 500 miles down the road, that's how you send tobacco. Won't dry out, zippy bags won't break apart. You're ace, Charlie. Thank you very much. What else? What else? Yes, backy flaps. Come and see me. I've spoken to Jason Mouton, and at this particular point in time, I'll be putting a few of them on his table. The ones that, for whatever reason, don't sell, will be going back to Canada with Mike from Briar Blues and going on his website. So if you're in the US, you'll be able to cut down on shipping. You won't have to pay the, what is it, $25 US you're going to pay to shipping from Australia if you decide to get one from here. Gotta be kidding me. I only filled that up the other day. You all done the cotton bacon trick? The vape cotton with your Zippos? If you haven't, you should. You'd be lucky if you have to fill it every week or every other week. I go 2, nearly 3 weeks without filling up my Zippo. So, yeah. It's a simple thing, just pull the cotton out, shove the vape cotton in there, just make sure the wick's not all bunched up in there, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. Works really well. So, yeah, Vegas. I don't know whether I'm insane or just really keen. I fly out of Brisbane on the Friday, and I arrive in Vegas on the Friday, but after a 16-hour flight via Vancouver. I'm in Vegas Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday morning, and about Sunday lunchtime I fly back out of Vegas to Vancouver, 6-hour layover, and then I'm back into Brisbane. Stupid or keen? You make your mind up there. I will say this, if you've never ever been to a pipe show, let alone a pipe meetup, then you are truly missing out on a good time. It's swapping stories, talking bullshit, swapping a few tobaccos, show off some pipes. It's just a good load of fun, good clean fun. Wife approved too. So if you have the wherewithal to get to Vegas, let alone any other pipe show in the upcoming times, then you should absolutely do it. That's about it. I'm done. And nothing else comes to mind now. I'm completely and utterly, like I said, out of practice. Nothing more going on in here at the moment. I know I should pull my finger out and get some more things done, but we'll see what happens in the next couple of weeks. So life tends to get in the way, unfortunately, as most of you will know. Anyway, you all take care. Stay safe. Catch you later.